when you're a true misogynist, an elite level misogynist, when you're the top G of misogynists, you don't even acknowledge their existence. When I was a low level misogynist, yeah, you might argue with them, you try correct them, you try fix them, you engage in verbal debate and leave them mentally molested and allow them to know that that singular brain cell of theirs isn't perspicacious enough, to engage in verbal combat with me. But when you become elite level misogynist, you don't even acknowledge their existence. They could be going on and on and on and on. You don't even respond. You don't even engage in debate. You don't try to fix them. You don't try to word them up. You don't try to advise them. You don't try to prove them wrong. And it's very peaceful being a misogynist. Elite level. Lower level is a headache because you're always arguing. When you're elite level misogynist, wow. Peaceful. Don't acknowledge their existence. Don't respond to them. Steal all their energy and just crack on.